Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to make transparent text in CapCut. So just let's start. So first of all, open up your CapCut application, and after that click on this text icon, and after that just drag and drop the text to the timeline, and after that just go on to the right section and name it whatever you want, just like I'm naming it as broke. And you guys can also set any font you want, just like I'm setting the modern font. You guys can also make it bold, just like I'm making it. And after that you guys have to scroll down a bit, and you guys have to set its opacity to 50%. And after doing it, just export it. And after exporting it, you guys have to import the video on which you have to add your transparent text, just like for example, on this video I have to add transparent text, so I will just also import this transparent text that I just created. Let me go to um here is that CapCut videos, and here is my exported text. So I will just open it, and I will just drag the file here, and I will just drag that text to stop, just like I'm drag it to the top. And now for adding your text to the video, just go on to this right section, check up the blend mode, and set its mode to color dodge. And after setting it up to color dodge, as you guys can see, a transparent text has been added to the video, and that's how you guys can easily make transparent text in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.